toxins were spilled here. This used to be the acres of farmland. Now this farmer was not your average one. He loved his animals, and when they began to get sick, he panicked and didn't know what to do for them. And then he started to notice a change. It didn't take the animals long to forget who their caregiver had been. It turns out the farm animals weren't the only thing in this farm that had been mutated. So did the spiders. Everyone who has stumbled upon this wrecked pirate ship seems to just disappear or fall. Guess the pirate...
Don't be loud.
Point to it. You see a Sasquatch? I bet it's a Bigfoot.
Played his pipe. In doing so, what he had been promised, or never see their kids again. A scam, a hoax, and even a publicity stunt. All of those things and more have been said on this subject, and yet, for decades now, scientists all over the world have spent millions in both cash and man-hours investigating this phenomenon. For those of you that do not know, Jefferson in Marion County has the most Bigfoot sightings in the state of Texas. So, beware of your surroundings. These are his woods, and we are trespassing.
Sydney.
Faith with a real pack of wolves. They ended up attacking him. Have you ever wondered what is out there in the woods? What is staring at you at this very moment that you can't see? How close something wild has come to you and you've never known about it. Swamp monsters live around here. And I've heard if they smell your fear, they'll always find you. And it doesn't matter where you hide. And once they get you, well, let's just hope they don't. There was a girl who figured she would be alright. As she started walking past the headstones, come back out.
No. See right there? They're closed right there.
Oh yeah.
They're closed. They're so close. I don't know what's happening.
Enjoyed it, and we'll tell your friends to come and see us. Please wait for the train to come to a complete stop and for